Landlord is a location-based mobile game that merges real estate investing with augmented reality. Players use GPS technology to buy, sell, and manage virtual properties in real-world locations. They strategize to acquire high-value properties, upgrade them for increased income, and compete with others for dominance in a virtual property market. With social interaction, events, and challenges, Landlord offers a dynamic gameplay experience for players who enjoy strategy, competition, and virtual entrepreneurship. Hey everyone, this is Francisco from Wondershare Dr.Fone, and today I will be presenting to you the best solution to your regional restrictions in Landlord. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. Like always, we're just going to jump right into the main solution to your location issues in Landlord, that being Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. The software is designed for all of your mobile needs, from transferring data between devices, backing up all of your phone's information, unlocking your screen if it's locked, to even spoofing your location, and is available for use on both Windows and Mac, and is compatible with both Android and iOS. Virtual Location will allow you to directly input any location in the world and force your phone to simulate that location. It even offers methods of moving between locations, including simulating walking between different places so that you can discover new treasure without having to teleport between locations, although teleportation is also available. But this is especially useful because you can start off in one location after teleporting there. Afterwards, you can set a route for you to walk along and it will do the walking for you, which will help in dodging issues within the app and avoid detection further. But also, walking around this way will keep you in the safety of your home while still being able to explore many different areas in the United States and see what new property you can find. Here's how you can use Dr.Fone Virtual Location to fake your location and start buying some fancy properties from anywhere. First, connect your phone to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Then download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone using the link in the description. Once installed, open the software and access the Toolbox tab. Then select the Virtual Location module from the main screen, then click on Get Started. Then from the main interface, you can select whether you want to teleport from location to location or walk between locations. You can also adjust the speed at which you move between locations by using the tabs at the bottom of the screen. Then just go ahead and type in the location which you would like to travel to in the search bar, then select it. The map will move you over to that location, and then you just press move here to instantly switch locations. And it's really that easy. Now you can access Landlord from your phone while it is plugged in and enjoy purchasing properties all over the United States and even see what some areas offer. You can even simulate going on a stroll with the walking feature with Wondershare Dr.Fone, so do make sure to give that a try as well. So that way you can simulate walking around the neighborhood and see what else you can find in the neighborhood. Part 2. Tips for purchasing property in Landlord. Now, since you're going to be doing lots of property and real estate purchasing from home, it is important to know some tips that can really come in handy when in search of property to purchase in the game. Follow the steps that I will present to you right now to maximize your time in this game. Location, location, location. Just like in real estate, location matters in Landlord. Look for properties in high traffic areas or areas with high demand to maximize your potential earnings. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one type of property. Spread your investments across different types of properties to reduce risk and increase potential income streams. Upgrade wisely. Invest in upgrades for your properties to increase their value and rental income. Focus on upgrades that offer the best return on investment and cater to the needs of your target market. Network with other players. Interact with other players in the game to exchange tips, insights, and strategies. Join communities or forums dedicated to Landlord to learn from experienced players and stay updated on the latest trend. Thank you so much for supporting our channel like usual. If you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and comment any of your thoughts down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Until next time, have a great day.